Hi everyone, today's video is going to be the first part of many parts that we're going to load. It's going to be a little series on how Jazz and I have made a mini ramp, and this is the first part of it. This one video, this first segment is going to be just on how to make the sides. And what we've done, we're going to put a list of all the materials down below in the links, so no worries there. So this here is one 4x8 sheet of plywood. It's pressure treated, 3/4 inches thick. And you want to raise it up off the ground so that when you do make your cuts, you don't damage your jigsaw.
Yes.
So our ramp is going to be just shy of 4 feet high. The reason for that is we're going to utilize 2 equal sides out of 1 sheet. So what you do here to do this, take your first measurement and you're going to go from the edge of the plywood 12 inches right here, and you're going to make your mark right there. And then take a screw and obviously a drill and anchor in a 2x4 so that it's flush right here and 12 inches right there. Do the same thing over here. Go 12 inches, make your mark, anchor the 2x4 so it's nice and square here. Then you want to take a string or nylon, and there's many techniques to do this, but this one here, for a nice gradual transition, I've read to go 6 feet 10 inches from here to here. Put a screw in there. The longer you go, the more gradual the transition is going to be. The shorter you make that, the quicker it's going to be. So I've read that that's a kind of a really nice happy medium for roller skaters on roughly a 4-foot ramp. So once you get your screw in and your string, take a pencil or a pen, and you can see in this video that I've already made our marks. The reason we're doing this too is because when you can see this is one side, this is one side, this is going to stand up and be on the ground. And a 2x4 is not 4 inches, it's 3.5. So you can see that right to there. So the reason you do that, make it 3.5 right here, is so your 2x4, when it's on the ground, got nice support there, right? See that shot? Okay, so you basically take your string, take a pencil or a pen or whatever, and you tie it. We've already done this, so you tie it, put it there. This is a really critical part, so you want to make sure that you stay pretty even with this, okay? So you want your string, when it's tied around here, you want it to be able to where it doesn't keep tightening up and make your arc. You don't want to do that. You want it to stay nice and even. So make your marks, okay? Then you're going to unscrew this side and basically make your cuts. When you make your cuts with the jigsaw, you want to make sure that what you have underneath that's supporting this isn't where you're going to cut. Right?
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah. So basically, what you do once you've marked it out, just take your jigsaw. I'm not going to do it in this video because our camera sometimes cuts out. So you make your cuts like that. Take that cut and go all the way to here, and then remove the 2x4 and cut it there, and you'll eventually have 2 equal sides that you stand up, right? Once you get these cut, you're going to stand them up and smooth down the rough edges that saw makes, okay? So this is the first segment of many segments. It's going to take a while to do this, so we're going to load these as we go, okay? So hopefully you found this video useful and helpful. If you have any other questions at all, don't hesitate to put them down below. And if you liked it, hit that bell for more content. We appreciate you guys watching as usual. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.